Hello. So what we're going to do is add a hyperlink to a cell in an Excel sheet. So as you can see here, I've created a little bit of an Excel doc that is in the beginning stages of planning a trip to Japan. So what we're going to do is instead of copying and pasting a URL into a cell and making it kind of distorted and a little bit unorganized and messy looking, we're going to keep it really neat by creating a hyperlink to this text right here that says Bullet Train Rail Pass. So what we're going to do is add a link to the Bullet Train Rail Pass website where you can purchase the Rail Pass. So what we're going to do is make sure you are clicked into the cell in which you want to add the hyperlink to, and then you'll go to the Insert tab, and you'll click on Link, and a new little window will pop up, and in the address bar, you'll go ahead and paste the URL to the website which you want to link the text to. You'll click OK, and as you can see, it has turned that text into a hyperlink, so that now when I click on that hyperlink, it'll bring me to the RailPass website. And my travel guide Excel sheet is all nice and organized.